The National Weather Service in League City has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Houston County in southeastern Texas, Burleson County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Washington County in southeastern Texas, west central Walker County in southeastern Texas, northern Grimes County in southeastern Texas, Brazos County in southeastern Texas, Madison County in southeastern Texas, until 6 p.m. At 2:57 p.m. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. 3 to 6 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring across parts of the warning area. Road closures have been reported in Brazos County at Highway 6 at FM 2818. Some locations that will experience flooding include College Station, Bryan, Madisonville, Caldwell, Ostonia, Somerville, Snook, Bedias, Curtin, Wixon Valley, Millican, Kylefield, Lake Somerville Dam, Viola, Wellborn, Independence, North Gulch, Quarry, and Lyons. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. The following is a river flood warning. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth.
Okay, that was another flash flood warning for all counties, including Houston. So here's the alert on my phone. Here, let's let VoiceOver read it to us. Here it is, right here. And see, flash flood warning. Here, let's have VoiceOver
on. And target area, Brazos, Burleson, Grimes, Waller, Washington. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a star tornado warning for ellipsis. App switcher. Tornado warning. Heading. VoiceOver off.
That was a tornado warning. Now, let's see here. I'm
VoiceOver on. NOAA Gonzalez _ Gillespie _ Galveston _ Count Frio Gillespie Grimes _ County select Grimes target area Brazos Burleson VoiceOver off.
Here's the warning if you want to read it. Right here, the latest warning.
VoiceOver and target area Brazos Burleson Grimes Houston Madison Walker Washington. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a star flash flood warning for ellipsis, southwestern Houston County in southeastern Texas, ellipsis, Burleson County in southeastern Texas, ellipsis, northwestern Washington County in southeastern Texas, ellipsis, west central Walker County in southeastern Texas, ellipsis.
Can't read the rest of it, but yeah. And that was the same warning that we just listened to on here.
Locations.
Alright, I'll keep up with the latest. As you can see, there's the warning for parts of southeast Texas. And so, yeah, I'm so sorry that Galveston is not streaming. Actually, you know what? Let me just show you. I am so sorry for pointing away the radar that we have here. I'll show you the College Station one. See, this is the shower and thunderstorm activity. Look at that. Well, that. And here's the Galveston one. Here it is. There's those showers and thunderstorms developing along the area. So, I'll stay tuned on the weather station, see what happens. So, I'll shoot another video once another warning comes in. Alright, so, just like I did for the previous one. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you once another warning comes in.